GT40 is easily my favorite car that's ever been made. I thought I had enough collective experience to build one myself. I was really unrealistic about how long it would take to build this car. A year and a half in, I sort of reached my breaking point, and I thought this might be the first project that I haven't finished. Once it was done, it was one of the most satisfying things in my life. I keep a stash of earplugs in the door because it is that uncivilized. It's rowdy, it's loud. Driving this car is a workout. You feel every crack in the road. You can't let your mind wander. You've got to stay focused. Even though you're surrounded by this noise, it's peaceful. It's almost meditative. Handles and it's planted. You can drive it really fast. It does everything you want it to do. Building it with my own hands, I know every square inch of the car. If I just bought this car, it wouldn't feel the same.
My name is Eric Dean, and this is why I drive.